Ni hao, Shishangman. Welcome to Delhi School of Languages. Let's learn Chinese with Simran. Common vegetables in Mandarin. Potato, thu tou, tomato, shi hong shi, carrot, hu luo po, onion, yang song, garlic, swan, swan, ginger, chiang, cabbage, pite sai, spinach, pot sai, broccoli, shi lan hua, cauliflower, huat sai, eggplant, brinjal, chiet cucumber, huang qua, bell pepper, ching chow, mushroom, moku, corn, you me, peas, wan tou, green beans, tou chiao, bitter melon, khu qua, pumpkin, nan qua, sweet potato, hong shu. These are almost all the vegetable names in Mandarin. Thank you. Bye bye.